In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a save and load system for variables. And correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure that it'll save your entire game because this new update with saving GDevelop made it so that it saves the entire game. And my last video about this is outdated, so someone commented on that and asked if I could make an updated version, and it's way easier now. So I just have a simple button clicked and it adds the text variable, and I've got my save and load button. But instead of using a load button, I'm just going to make it load at the beginning of the scene because you're probably going to want that, but you can make it load from a button if you want. So our first event will be if the save button is clicked. And then for our action, we'll do save. And then we'll do, where is it? Save to device storage. And you can name this whatever you want. I'm just going to do save 10 and then just leave the profile empty. And then for our next event, our condition will be at the beginning of scene. And then for our action, it'll be load. And then we'll need load from device storage. And make sure this is called the exact same thing. So mine's save 10 and leave the profile empty. So now if we start this and we get coins and save, then it saves it. And then you can also just change the beginning of scene to if the load button is clicked, and then you click it and it'll load. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed, then leave a like and check out some of my other videos.